Friends, welcome to another video and another lecture. In this video I will be teach you how to convert your text with your image. You can see you have already seen on the front of the layout and front of the magazine or newspaper. When you read the newspaper or books, your text will be converted on the image. But today I will be teach you step by step in this video how to convert your text or image. It's very easy. Get ready for design. So just press a T. It's a shortcut key for a text. I write something, anything, just like as I can design. It's just a practice for you. I just write on design. So I just a bigger size and I just convert a text with bigger. It's bigger text, and you can. I have already uploaded image on Adobe Illustrator, but you can upload your image from your library, your portfolio, or your desktop. I just click here. This images because of this lines. I already opened this file. It's the same here, so it's not a matter. So this image is very bigger as compared to our text, but we can just click here and drag on here for small when our understand what the designs. Select both of these and you can play with shortcut key. Click right on here, make clipping mask. Wow, it's easy. Just click, just a one click and make your own text. Wow, it's amazing. If you want to choose your play with your just like animal or design, fashion show and marketing advertising agency, anything you can. If you want to choose a different category, click double click here. When you undo masking here, come here. I just want to see the up, same here, same position. Click on the hair, you can see the hair. Wow, it's amazing. I hope you like this video, and we are going to finish our course almost done in few videos, maybe one or two videos. So I hope you practice with your course, and you must design all of these when we complete the course, and we will meet another video. Take care. Bye bye.